Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are doing the Rose soap by Morfosoaps. It's scented with rose fragrance oil. For the design, we're going with a drop swirl, with hanger swirl, and then we will do a piping on top. So we have the main batter. We will take two small portions in those smaller buckets or pitchers, and then we will have them colored with pink clay. So one will be used for the piping and one will be used for the drop swirl inside the soap. So the fragrance is described as an exuberating fragrance of rose bouquet. It also has top notes of roses with base notes of sweet citrus. So that is the description of the fragrance. So I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video. Until next week, I'll see you again with another soap making project. Until then, you take care of yourselves, stay well and safe, and keep smiling. Bye for now.